Here's a laptop which is connected on Wi-Fi to a 2.4 GHz network, and the same is available in 5 GHz also. So let's just test the speed on the 2.4 GHz, and this is the result on speedtest.net. 48 megabits per second download, 45 upload. Now if I switch to the other network, which is on 5 GHz, connect. Now if I press the go button to test the speed, now I won't get around 50 and 50 megabits per second, but around 200 something. The same network, there's the speed 200 and let's call it 50 compared to 50, so around 5 times faster on 5 GHz. Let's call it 250 download and upload. So if it's possible, connect to 5 GHz networks instead of 2.4 GHz networks.